Ain't that one of the best title music ever? ManiacBall on Amiga 1200 060 100 MHz. Let's play it and see how it plays. And if you have any questions regarding this video, put it on the comment section below. So, this is a game like a Breakout clone, Arkanoid clone, you can say it. We are playing it with title music. Game music is just sound effects. I'm playing it in high-res. You can also play it in low-res. You can play it in different modes, like team, single. You can choose what sort of joystick or mouse you want to use. Here. You can even use the keyboard also. So, let's just jump into the game and have a blast from the past. And let's see how far I can get. And sorry for my chair, it's a bit noisy, but that's how I will play it. I'm using a USB mouse actually connected to my Warp 1260. So let's see how far I can get in this game today. So as you see, it looks like ManiacBall, but it is a bit harder than ManiacBall because you control both of the pads up and down and sideways. And you have lots of power-ups. You can have multiple. Oh, or that one, which makes you change the level. And as you see, before I had 4 pads, now I have only 2 pads. So level 2 is a little bit easier that way. But don't think that the game is easier because of that, because there's lots of humps and bumps in the way. What is your favorite Breakout game? You can comment it in the comment section. Oh, very small pad now. And you can see the timer, the green timer on the screen, on the bottom beside the ManiacBall letters. That was to slow my ball down. And here is the first multi-ball. Or double multi-ball. Yikes! 3 balls at once. So, you see, ManiacBall is quite fun. But when you play multiplayer, oh, I have 4 balls. When you play multiplayer, you have each pad. One player have the vertical ones, and the other one have the horizontal ones. So, and it's always difficult to handle more than one ball, I think. Same with when playing pinball. Yes. Now the speed of the ball has increased a lot. Lots of fun. And some explosions. And like in ManiacBall, you also have various bricks. Some are harder to hit, to destroy. So I have been using a composite to HDMI converter. Nice. Double ball. Multi-ball. And that side pad is so small. Yes. Oh. My pad at the bottom is quite different in size than the one on the side, which is very small. That. Yeah, I have reached the size limit. It seems. For some reason, the screen is blinking. No! And what do you think about the title music? I think it's fantastic. It's a Madonna remix made on the Amiga for this game. Yeah. Multiple again. Let's try to... Ah, now since I died, all of the pads are normal in size. I don't know why the screen is blinking. It's because of the game, I think. Maybe something disturbing it. Because my HDMI screen is totally fine. Or it might be the composite signal. It's not so good. Oh, come on. Yes. You're kidding me? Oh, okay. Speed up. Oh. Wow. No. That didn't go well. I have cheated a little bit. I moved a little bit forward because it was taking ages to play. So, well, in the next level, you have 3 pads, 1 at the top and 2 on the sides. So this will be interesting. Yeah, I didn't want you to get bored. And this is very hard. Oh. Yes, very hard. So as you see, this is a ManiacBall on the Amiga 1200, 060, 100 MHz, and it works in high res. ManiacBall is made by Peter Elsner. Sound effects, various sources, graphics, him, and music inspired by Madonna. So, yeah, it's an unregistered version of the game. 25 Deutsche Marks or $20 to get the full version. But yeah, this version feels like a full version. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good, healthy life. Don't stress too much. Be awesome and have an awesome, awesome day. Bye for now.